I am currently in Indonesia, in Bali, or a little away from Bali, in a place named Nusa Penida. And this place is called something like Kelingking beach, I believe. So just look at the view. The small ants at the bottom, they are actually people. This is a beach. Green ocean, the wave, and believe me or not, I can see some stingray fish swimming there. It's beautiful. You can go down. There is a stair. I have gone quite a far, but I don't want to do it more because I have to climb up too. So the mission is aborted, but I think I never saw anything like this before in my entire life. So don't forget to come to Indonesia. Bye bye.